Hi, I'm Jackie, a DaVita dietitian. Managing a kidney diet can feel complicated, but help is just a few clicks away. Let's take a look at some of the free and easy-to-use diet and nutrition tools available on DaVita.com. Looking for a kidney-friendly version of your favorite recipe, like mac and cheese? We have many mac and cheese recipes that are created by DaVita dietitians. Looking for something specific? You can narrow down your search results by selecting diet type, category, dish type, cooking method, and more. You can also sort recipes by nutrient content, such as low to high protein, carbohydrates, sodium, and more. With the Food Analyzer, you can look up potassium, phosphorus, and other nutrients in your food. Enter the food name, such as pretzels, in the search bar and click Search to see results. You can also see a quick view of the food's ingredients by hovering over the I symbol. Once you're on the food items page, if there are no levels listed for potassium and phosphorus, you can find the ingredients list at the bottom to see any high potassium or high phosphorus ingredients. Another handy tool is our selection of dining out guides, which can help you make food and drink choices when eating out. There are 12 different guides from American cuisine to convenience store food. Print them out or just pull them up on your smartphone when you're at the restaurant to see healthier choices and foods to choose sparingly. There are even more free diet and nutrition resources on DaVita.com, including how-to recipe videos, our kidney diet tips blog, and more than 30 kidney-friendly cookbooks. Try them all at DaVita.com/kidney diet.